Hey everyone, welcome back to Master English. I'm Tyler, and today we're going over the next set of single-tone sounds from the International Phonetic Alphabet. We'll start with some vocabulary and then practice sentences using these words. Let's get started. These are sounds. Please repeat after me. Cup, sun, run, fun, bus, luck, duck, mud, cut, and up. Now let's try some sentences using these words. Once again, please repeat after me. The first word is cup. Number 1, she poured coffee into her favorite cup. Number 2, the cup fell off the table and shattered. Number 3, he drinks a cup of tea every morning. Next up we have sun. Number 1, the sun is shining brightly today. Number 2, she enjoys sitting in the sun at the beach. Number 3, the sun sets early in winter. The next word is run. Number 1, he likes to run in the park every morning. Number 2, the dog started to run after the squirrel. Number 3, she decided to run a marathon next year. Now, let's go over the word fun. Number 1, they had fun at the amusement park. Number 2, it's always fun to play games with friends. Number 3, she believes learning should be fun. The last word is bus. Number 1, she took the bus to work this morning. Number 2, the bus was late due to traffic. He missed the bus and had to walk home. Great job, everyone. Let's go over the vocabulary one more time. Cup, sun, run, fun, bus, luck, duck, mud, cut, up. Awesome work. You're doing great. Keep up the great work. And don't forget to check out more of our Master English videos, books, products, social media, and Patreon to access exclusive content that'll help you reach your language goals faster. The links are in the description below. Thanks again. This is Tyler with Master English. See you in the next video.